Kajingelang jangka kunhun menteri kebelalong haka arpu pratrik ukelalengkon kalapan bena ban penlong ya kajinge tak vote na kebentak election MDC haka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council haka kendai terik uyayong bat kajingyo vote kan long haka katsau terik uyayong. Habai keren beginong patai kubor usembut menteri rang ba kajelau ba preston tunsong ulong ba kajing pendapat ba ban penlong ki election ban mani aware ki pat ba banjir ki MDC kan long haka pratrik unai leber arajar arpuwe. Banado kan negasi on treka mardor ka Model Code of Conduct habro ki jaka ki bahap apo ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba preston tunsong ulong ba katarik bakat do ban tap kerteng daki kertong kan long haka kat santrik uleber. Kajing kimi ibnia aki kot gisla jeng ki kertong kan long hi haka kat santrik uleber. Ban katarik bakat do ban weng kerteng daki kertong kan long haka kat kendai terik uleber. Kajing penmi eka kerteng ki kertong ki bapura kan long haka arpu arterik uleber. Kasengi tap vote kan long haka kendai terik uyayong nadu kopor nyo bejemen step adu sau bejejan miet. Bat kajing nyo vote kan long haka kat sau terik ubenayayong. Uba preston tunsong ulong bagajing penlut na kebentaban penlong ya ki election kan lut ya kumba katsan klur tengka. Bat ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ka ban penlut dia kepisah na kebentaban penlong ya ki election. Nrai namar baga Garo Hills Autonomous District Council kadon hapadang kajing kerdu pisah kumta ke sorkar jela kala ajing menjur ban ai lupa ke pisah kum ka advance payment kabadai ka bahak khajna jong ka district council. Ulong bagatanat District Council Affairs kle selok ru bagatanat Pule Puthi haswa ban bu ekatarik ban penlong ya ke election jong Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba preston tunsong ulong bagajing penlong ya ke election kan long haki arp kandai teli ki constituency bat untung ru ya iwe nominated MDC.
For election to the general election to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council will be on the 8th March 2021. And let me repeat, from that day, from 8 March 2021, the moment notification comes out, Model Code of Conduct will be in place. The Model Code of Conduct will be in place from the 8th March 2021 to the entire Garo Hills District Council area. Expenditure for conduct of election in the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Again, Cabinet has already approved the proposal for meeting all those expenditures, but these expenditures will be in the form of advance payment against the royalty, against the shares of the district council, and this will be adjusted in due course of time.
Kesorkar jela kala ajing menjur ban kentiu no ekador hakabaidai bat kejingbat lupa ne ke booking jong ki brio ki number kali katayu number ubakot hau not iwe na kalai po hajar tengka syaka silak tengka. U number not r not lai but not kendai na kalai po hajar tengka syaka san po hajar tengka. Yo number not nyo na kalai po hajar tengka syaka nyo po hajar tengka. Yo number not nyo prahan rio na ka ar po hajar tengka syaka nyo po hajar tengka. But yo number iwe na ka katsan hajar tengka syaka san po hajar tengka. Uba preston tunsong ulong ru bagi donru ki jumping number bat yaki neru lapen kiwa kador kata nakalai hajar tengka syaka san hajar tengka. Bat ke sorkar kala kami ilenti ban ya ulum omduna ya kah nyo klur tengka man laga senam na ka jimpen kiwa temai ya kador.
With this decision taken by the Cabinet, the increase in collection of revenue will be not less than 7 crore rupees annually. 7 crore rupees annually. The Cabinet is pleased to approve the draft policy on Meghalaya electric vehicle, and this will be taken effective from 1st April 2021, means immediately after the current financial year.
Uba Preston Tunsong ulong bagi sarkar kala ajing menjur ke draft Meghalaya Electric Vehicle Policy arajar arpo. Barkani ke polisi kan terekam no naduk kasi terek ubnaya yong kasenam arajar arpuwe. Nalor kani ulong bahadian bagi Shillong Airport kelas sedang menterekam ke sarkar kala ajing menjur ban penkela ya ke rule 2 jong ke basis pak nyup kundai bat ars pak sapusan ban aila de ke Airport Authority of India ban bo ya ke wine shop ne kedukan ban dikiat apo jong ne kakak lengsun. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong bagi sarkar kelarai ru banca ekatanat PHE bantiet di GI Pipe na kiwe-kiwe karkhana omtang na NE Zone Manufacturing Unit kabadan hagajela. Uloong bagi daw kabla penlong ya kanikarai kadai namar bagi jing dawa kala jurbha ya kini pipe namar gejing penterekam ya kajal Jivan Mission bat kan NE Zone Manufacturing Unit kamla asyuk ban penbiang ya kejing dan kam ya ki pipe
Since now the Shillong Airport, Umroi, is in full swing operationalized, the Cabinet has approved the proposal for amendment of Rule 279 and Rule 245 in incorporating Airport Authority of India, Umroi, for allowing them to have on and off license for having a wine shop inside the airport.